Hi again and welcome to the channel, and today it's a lot of snow as you can see, but I'm thinking of taking the Top-Force out. I want to test the new GPS controller and see what kind of speed we can get on snow. There is this slope, a very small one for children. We'll give it a go. So first, let's just test it with this. And this time I've glued the tires so they should hold. So yeah, let's see if we can use the slope first. Well, yeah, maybe it's a lot of snow, but okay, let's give it a go. No, we can't use this one, so I have to find another place. Yeah, so we'll just have to try it on the road. There's still some snow, even though they're taking it away, so let's see. Yeah, let's do a turn here. Oh. Oh, feels impossible. Oh yeah. Okay, let me just turn the GPS on. Okay, now I have GPS on, so let's give it a go. Good thing there's this bunch of snow here, if not I will flow straight into the cars. So, I wouldn't be in the most popular guy on the street. Yeah. Well, I think that's what I can do for now of speed. So I'll check the speed and see. It's a lot of snow. Let's get it up. Okay, so you saw the speed, 40 kilometers per hour on snow. These conditions, but I wonder if we can do any better with adding some spikes. What do you think? I don't have safety goggles, but I have glasses on me, so let's hope that's enough. And I try not to get perforated with the spikes. Remember, I'm running on 3S. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, GPS is on. Let's give it a go. It's definitely better to drive. Let's see. Ooh, it seems to be working perfectly. Cool. Yeah, so there you have it. Actually 9 kilometers per hour faster with the spikes. bike seems to be holding. Cool. I took the car down to a bigger street to see if we can get some more power. No, more speed. So let's just see. Okay. Ready? Cool. So let's see what speed we got now. Yeah, as you saw, 58 kilometers per hour on snowy road with the spiked tire. I consider that pretty good, so cool. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to get an update on the next video. But for now, I'm going to drive some more. There's more power on this battery, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.